January 6th, 2021, Daily Math Review number 2. All right, so we're going to complete this table to solve the problem. How many weeks before Sue has received $35 for allowance? So, how many weeks will there be before she gets $35 of allowance? So, here's that allowance here. So we're trying to figure out wherever that 35 is on these, we're trying to figure out the number of weeks. All right, so we're going to figure out, first of all, I know from 1 to 7, I can multiply by 7. And then from 7 to 1, I can divide by 7. All right, so in this case, 21 divided by 7 is going to be 3. Then the next two, we're going upward. So 4 times 7, and then 6 times 7. So I know 4 times 7, what color did I use? Close enough. 4 times 7 is going to be 28. And then 6 times 7 is going to be 42. All right, now we are going to go from side to side here because we don't have anything here to fill in. Yes, we can see a pattern, 1 blank, 3, 4 blank, 6. We can see a pattern. If you want to do that, you can. Or if you want to do the other way, you can look at that as well. For example, how did we get, well, for example, we got from 7 to 23. We also multiplied by 3. 1 times 3 is 3. So that's just another way that you can do it instead of going up and down. Well, I can keep that there. Perfect. Well, actually, no, I don't want to. All right, so let's look at our pattern here. So if we look here, we have 1 blank 3. So what comes in between 1 and 3? 2. Ooh, let's do 2. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, how do we get from this 2 up to the top? Remember, we're going to multiply by 7. If we're going from the bottom top, we're going to multiply by 7. So 2 times 7 is going to be, 2 times 7 is going to be 14. And then 5 times 7 is going to be 35. Are we done yet? Well, we're done finishing this table. But now it asks, how many weeks before she has received $35 for allowance? So here's our allowance. Here's the $35. How many weeks? How many weeks will she have to wait until she gets her allowance? Well, 5, right there, 5. She'll have to wait just 5 weeks. So our answer is going to be 5 weeks. So 5 weeks, so you can put that 5 down there. And then that's it for our DMR number 2. Great job.